Hey, what's up? So this is an unboxing video for the Oura Ring. Look at the amazing packaging it came in. Very classy. It's a small cardboard box. But we are going to open it for the first time. So I got my pocket knife here and whoa, that was so tricky. Just kidding. Okay. Yeah. There we go. So here it is. Has a little circle for your fingers here. And boom. Oura. Crazy. So we're going to pull this out. And more protection. It's always important. So here we go. There's a little weird contraption that came in. Pretty clever packaging. It looks fancy. It kind of looks like what you would buy at Kohl's for like a watch or something. Very fancy. It looks like it's going to be like 20 bucks. But it says improve sleep, perform better. It's pretty sweet. That's why I bought it. It's on focus. Okay, well, that's what it says. You have to trust me on that. So, here we go. Ooh, fancy. So it has some nice padding on here. And here is the ring. It comes in a fancy stand. I keep saying that word. It's not really, it's mostly sarcasm. But this usually retails for about $299. It feels kind of plasticky. I just got the black color because I thought it would fit the best. You can see the technology on the inside right here. Yeah, this is not focused well. I'm shooting on a Note 9 by Samsung. Thank you, Samsung, for your autofocus. But yeah, it's very cool. I got a sizing ring from Oura. They had a whole different set. And I tried each one on for probably about a day or so, and this size fit the best, so I ordered it in this. And after I charge this up, I can put this on, track my heart rate variability and sleep. And I've did a lot of research on this, so I had to find. Okay, I did a lot of research on this. And I tried to figure out which health tracker would be the best because I've been having some issues feeling rested after I get enough sleep, which doesn't feel that good. So I figured out the Fitbit Charge 2 can track REM sleep nearly as well as a PSG, the machine that they use in sleep studies in like hospitals, that like big, way more expensive machine than a Fitbit. But out of all the different Fitbits, that one tracked it, and it said about the same as a PSG, so it would be roughly 97-ish% is my guess. And then it tracks everything else out at like a 50 to 60% accuracy. So I was like, it's not that good. It would be only for REM. Then I found this, and in the studies I read about this, which I will post links to below, this one tracks everything at about a 80 to 90% accuracy overall. Like, it's not as accurate for the REM sleep, but with how accurate this is for several other things, it just seems way more beneficial. So yeah, I got this. I'm excited to try it out, see how it goes. Fits right there pretty well. It's a little too shiny for what I thought, but it looks pretty good. And let's see what else is inside this box. It's a little knob right there. Sweet. Charging cord. Very important. It's a USB-C charger, it looks like. Where does this plug in? To this. Doi. Okay. We can just pop that out right there. Got this is, oh, that's my hand. Sorry, wrong side. You got this as the charger. So you plug this in with the USB-C cord provided, and then the ring just goes on here. You can see where the bubbles fit. See the little bubbles right there? You can see where they fit because there's an indent in the holder. So you just slide this on, plug this in, and charge it. It's pretty cool. So it comes with the instructions. Ooh, Oura. I'm glad it's for what I bought. That is very convenient. Okay, Oura Ring. Okay. Do they have it in English on this piece of paper? I know they have it in English, just... Well, it's made for many different countries. That's a good thing. A lot of people deserve to be able to track their health well, so I'm glad that they include all those. Here. Okay, I don't think it is in this one. Oh, should probably show this. Yeah, important information, please read. And then different languages. Okay, let's see if it's in this one. Oura. Whoa, sweet. Download the app. Google Play or the App Store. There we go. If you don't know how to get an app, you click the Get button right there. See? It says Get because it's free. It's pretty sweet. Huh. Okay, what else? Ooh. Okay, so when the battery's low, you'll want to plug it in like that. And then when it's halfway charged, it should blink. And then when it's fully charged, it should keep a steady light. I think that's what the difference between the dotted lines and the straight lines mean. So that is very useful. Now let's see if I can read this one. Another packet that came with it. Yes, I can. Sweet. So, okay, can't read that page. Okay. California Proposition 65, that's pretty much in everything. Ooh, FCC regulatory information, very important. Exposure, okay. Yep, so that is basically just legal specifications. Ooh, here we go. Use, care, and maintenance. So finger size can vary. In case a ring gets stuck, you can use cold water and gentle soap to wet your finger and slowly twist the ring out to remove it. This is waterproof. Very, very convenient. If it wasn't at all, you could never wash your hands, which would be disgusting. Oh, you can lower your blood pressure in your hand and then try to do that. I've never really worn a ring before for a long time, except for the sizing rings for this. So this is pretty useful stuff for a person like me. Okay, I misread this at first. It says, in cases of emergency, cut the ring from the palm side of the finger from the thinnest point with a ring cutter. I thought it originally said, in case of emergency, cut the finger, preserve the ring at all costs. Yeah. Okay, good. And then battery, rechargeable 15 milliamp through 22 milliamp hours. Non-replaceable, up to a week. That's pretty sweet. Charging time, 20 to 80 minutes. So initially, that's better than I thought. Initially, I just have to leave this on the charger, all set up, for about an hour and 20 minutes. and I should be good to go for the next week. Nice. And that is about all that I need on here. I'll probably go through, read the rest about the warranty and all of that. The warranty says right here, it warrants to the original end user purchaser that the ring is free from defects in material and workmanship for 2 years from the date of purchase. Okay, nice. And there we go. I'm gonna get this set up. This very good health tracker that came in a small, awkward cardboard box. And test it out for a couple weeks, see how it works. I believe I will be making a follow-up video about my overall thoughts on this. So yeah, there you go. Please like this if this was helpful to unbox and really understand what this does. And if you would like, please comment something related to this or not at all, whichever you want. And that is it. So thanks.